Welcome to Airworthy Tours, your guide in the sky. My name is Captain Phillip, and today I'm going to serve as your pilot and tour guide as we take a tour of the historic Southern University. But before we get started, if you'd like to be a part of future aerial tours, please consider subscribing to the channel. We are clear for takeoff, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the tour. In 1880, the Louisiana General Assembly chartered what was then called Southern University for colored students, originally located in New Orleans. Southern opened its doors on March 7, 1881, with 12 students. In 1890, the legislature designated Southern as a land-grant college for blacks in order to continue to satisfy federal requirements under the land grant program to support higher education for all students in the state. Despite having a segregated system, it established an agricultural and mechanical department, which is why the school is officially known as Southern University A&M College. Southern would move to Baton Rouge in 1914. Below is the John B. Cade Library, named after Southern University's first principal. The library contains over 1 million volumes, nearly 2,000 journal subscriptions, 600,000 microforms, and 1,800 recordings. Right next to the library is the Smith-Brown Memorial Union, which serves as a major center for extracurricular activities. The building contains a food court, barber and beauty shops, television rooms, a bowling alley, a game room, a ballroom, and meeting and conference rooms. Ahead is the F.G. Clark Activity Center, which houses the athletic department and has accommodations for theater, athletic events, conferences, convocations, and recreational activities. Next is the J.S. Clark Administration Building, which contains the offices of the Southern University Board of Supervisors and other campus administrative officers. Below is the AAA Lenoir Hall, which is the Southern University Law Center. Southern is known for its prestigious law program. Next is the PBS Pinchback Engineering Building. Southern University is among the top producers of African American graduates in the combined disciplines of engineering, technology, business, computer science, nursing, mathematics, and more. Notable alumni include A. Pierce III, the first African American mayor of Monroe, Louisiana; Morgan Watson, one of the first African American engineers at Nassau; Melvin Kip Holden, the first African American mayor of Baton Rouge; and rapper and philanthropist David Banner. And our last stop is the A.W. Mumford Stadium. Southern University is known for its marching band, better known as the Human Jukebox. The band has been featured in numerous television commercials, music videos, and has been invited to participate in the annual Rose Parade in Pasadena, California, presidential inaugurations, and 6 Super Bowl halftime shows. Every year, Southern plays its arch rival, Grambling State University, in the Superdome in New Orleans, known as the Bayou Classic. If you enjoyed today's tour, you can tip your tour guide by hitting the like button. Also, make sure to check out our campus tours here. Thank you for flying with Airworthy Tours, and we look forward to seeing you on our next flight.